Hey, you guys, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So, if I were to be truly honest with you guys, I did not plan on doing a video like this today. But, you guys, there are so many new listings under $15 million. I'm talking about listings for 10 million, 11, 12. Good homes. So I had to do this video for you guys. It may be up late, but as you guys know, the regular flow, check the links in the description box to be able to reach out to the realtors if you're interested in any of these homes. You guys, let's jump right into this video. Give the video a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's go. So let's take a look at this first property that I'm going to show you guys. It's listed for 11 million Jamaican dollars and it's located in Linstead, St. Catherine. Now this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property and it sits on a lot size of 6,597 square feet. Now, there wasn't much information given to me, listed about this property, but what we do know, it's on Victoria District. It's in Victoria District, and this one seems like it's a fixer-upper, of course, but it's not in too bad of a shape. Of course, the kitchen is going to need some work, but the living area and the bedroom area doesn't seem quite bad. All right, of course exterior can do a little work too, but not much work to be done for this one here in Linstead, St. Catherine. The beautiful thing about Linstead, St. Catherine is that it's a great balance between country life and being close enough to the city or major town or areas like Portmore in St. Catherine where you can work. So you could work in Portmore, St. Catherine, and then you go home to Linstead, St. Catherine in the evenings. That's your residence. So that one there in Linstead, St. Catherine, again for $11 million. Okay, so the next home I have to show you is this one listed for 10.9 million Jamaican dollars, and it's in Grange Hill, Westmoreland. All right, to be specific, it's in the Kings Valley area of Grange Hill, Westmoreland. Now, this is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom property, and it's a potential income earner. Now, I must say, remember, I am not selling these properties. I'm just showcasing to you guys some listings that are available for persons. I know it's hard to search and find for these properties, so I'm presenting them to you. But of course, with me not being a realtor, I can be completely honest with you guys and, kind of remind you of the fact that the Kings Valley community is the community where the Kings Valley gang is from. All right, so I'm putting that out there. I would not like to mislead anyone. No, they have claimed, based on the listing, that this is more of a peaceful part of the community, which you do have that in times in Jamaica where you would have a section of the community that's more violent, and a section of a district or an area that is more violent, and then another section that is literally perfectly fine. I have seen that in Jamaica, and as Jamaicans, we have seen that. But I just have to put that out there to you guys, all right? So put that out there. But I still wanted to show the property because I did not want to, let's say, judge the property or look down on any property, because persons will be willing to buy because persons have an interest. All right, so I wanted to put it out there for you guys to be able to make your own decision and to see if this is something that you would like to follow up for. So let's go back to it being a potential income earner. So this property, it has the opportunity to become like 3 separate apartments. It has 3 kitchens and 3 separate entrances, right? So you can rent out even 2 of the units or sections in this home. As you can see, the rooms here seem quite spacious. Even the bathrooms seem to be quite spacious. Seems like a well-built home, but again, it's the area that would be, the concern for most persons. But as I said, If this is something that interests you, the link will be in the description box to reach out to the realtor and hop on this one. And you know, if we're being honest, it's so sad to see the fact that gang and violence has really, you know, it can really turn off a person from an entire area, right? So look at this beautiful home. Look at the parish of Westmoreland, a beautiful place, but unfortunately, due to violence, we can have problems or issues there where persons may be deterred from owning a home there, but that's life. The next apartment I have to show you guys is this one here. It's listed for 10.5 million Jamaican dollars and it's located on Deanery Road, Kingston 3. Now this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. And if you know anything about Deanery Road, or if you don't know, it's located near the Vineyard Town area, near the stadium, the National Stadium, right off that area, guys. So that's where Deanery Road is. And even a few months ago when I did my upcoming schemes and apartments videos, I mentioned that some apartments were going up at Deanery Road, and these were pretty decent apartments. So it is an area where location would sell it, okay, in terms of that. It's not, let's say, an upscale community in Kingston. No, 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 no. It's not an upscale area in Kingston, but it is one that's located to a lot of amenities and really popular places in Kingston. You're going to be pretty close to a lot of things in Kingston. Crossroads, downtown, Halfway Tree, Ligani, right? Because Ligani is not far off from National Stadium, and that's near about where Deanery Road is. So you're going to be pretty close to a lot of areas in Kingston. So this one is definitely a fixer-upper. As you can see, it's an older type of Kingston apartment with these, you know, pretty basic cabinetry and tiling. This was how I've realized that a lot of the older apartments in Kingston kind of have this one mold, one model look, and this is it. Literally, this is how a lot of the older apartments in Kingston look. So this one is definitely a fixer-upper, guys, but I just wanted to mention it for you guys. It's 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom on Deanery Road. The last listing I have to show you guys today in this video is this one here for 10 million Jamaican dollars, and it's located at Point Sienna, Rosemount, Montego Bay, St. James. It's 4-bedroom and 2-bathroom. And guys, I do not know where this area is. I'm not familiar with this area, but I get so many requests for Montego Bay homes. So I said, you know, let me include it in today's video to show you guys, for persons who may be interested, who have a budget of, you know, around $10 million. So this one here is 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom. As I mentioned, it also has a little building at the back which is used for storage. It's fully grilled, fully walled, fully fenced all the way around. As you can see, this one is definitely a fixer-upper. Definitely a fixer-upper. You're going to have a lot going into, you know, the exterior and the interior of this home, but inside the home is quite spacious. So as you can see, inside definitely needs some work, but not all is bad. Here you have a nice little porch. It has terrazzo tiling and a nice breadfruit tree on the property. Things that are pretty cozy. Can I use the word cozy? But it's a word. It's a definite fixer-upper, you guys. It's a definite fixer-upper. But when you look at the fact that a lot of places now in Jamaica, sadly, the cost for land is already $10 million. So some of these homes, you're really buying the land, to be honest. Yes, you do have a home on the property, which you can work on fixing up, but when you compare to the fact that a lot of the places, land is already so expensive, so a lot of persons will opt for these fixer upper homes because in comparison to buying the land, they'll find it as a good deal. All right, so that one is definitely a fixer upper, and it's located in Poinciana Close, Rosemount, Montego Bay, St. James. So that is the video for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment and tell me which home was your favorite. All right, which one you think has potential, or which one you think has no potential at all. Tell me in the comments. Just a reminder, all the links to reach out to the realtors if you're interested in any of these homes will be listed in the description box below. So click the description box. The description box is that section of the video that's under the title of the video where you may see like read more. That's where the description box is, you guys. So check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Try to do a video for tomorrow. I did a live this morning. I hope you guys checked out the live as well. And until my next video, bye you guys.